Hello my dear students. In this video let's study the remaining part of scope of artificial intelligence, that is cybersecurity, data analysis, transport in home, expert system and vision system. What is cybersecurity? AI also used in cybersecurity. Then what do you mean by cybersecurity? It is the protection of computer systems and network from the theft or damage of their hardware, software or electronic data and misdirection of the services they provide. In order to protect the data, some security is called as cyber security. As the threat of hackers is increasing, organizations are transferring the data to clouds and IT networks. Because of many companies are investing heavily in cyber security. Because of the hacking is increasing, they uses cloud and IT network. Cloud and IT network means it stores data on remote servers which can be accessed through internet. This one major attack can create huge disruption in an organization. So, to avoid this and save their data, many companies are investing heavily in cyber security. By using machine learning algorithms and deep learning networks, the AI gets better and more durable over time. Means because of this machine learning and deep learning network, it helps the computer or helps the organization to fighting more advanced threat that might develop with them. Cognitive AI is an example of this field. Means the best example for this cyber security is cognitive AI system. This cognitive AI, it detects and analyzes the threat and also provide insight to the analyst for making better informed decision. Another field is fraud detection. This fraud detection uses AI and it help in detecting frauds and it help organization and people in avoiding scams. And this also useful in by identifying fraudulent transactions and tendencies. Organization can save a lot of time and resources. So because of this reason, it lessen the risk of losing money. So AI with it uses neural network to detect a fraud in its initial stage. This is about cyber security. In order to protect the data and in fraud detection, this AI is used in cyber security. Then data analysis or information analysis. The scope of AI in data analytics is rising rapidly. Data analysis can benefit largely from artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI system can handle tons of data and process it much faster than humans. So they can take customer data and make more accurate predictions of customer behavior, preferences and other required factors. Because of AI system used in the data analysis, it saves a tons of data. Means you can save a very large amount of data in your computer system, and at the same time you can use such a data at any time. Means you can access whenever the company or organization needed, can access for the such data. Because of that reason, it helps the company to save the information related to customers. Then AI can help data analysts with handling and processing large data sets. Because of this reason, this can handle the large data or informations. The one best example of this is Google Analytics. Then another example of AI application in this sector is predicting outcomes from data. That means it uses the analytics data to predict the result, means to predicting the outcome from the data, and also it helps to undertake actions to achieve this result. Because of AI, it helps the company to store very large amount of data, and it processes the data and helps to achieve their goals. Then it is used in transport. Aeroplanes have been using autopilot to steer them in the air since 1912. Autopilot means what? A device for automatically steering ships, aircrafts, and spacecraft. Means the without human intervention, the vehicle can be driven using AI. So here this autopilot, it helps the uh, sys- this system controls the path of a plane, means direction of the plane can be controlled by this autopilot system. A pilot of a modern aircraft usually work for 7 minutes, and the remaining system is or steering of the plane can be handled by this autopilot system. Because of autopilot handling the steering, it helps the pilot to focus on other more important areas of the flight, like weather condition and on the route or path of the direction of the plane. For that, the pilot can concentrate. Then this AI can be, it means autopilot system uses AI. This autopilot system also used in ships and spacecraft. Ships and spacecraft use autopilot to help them to maintain the correct course. Means in ships and spacecraft also, it helps to maintain the correct direction of the ships and space shuttle. Another area is driverless cars. Many companies are developing autonomous vehicles which will rely heavily on artificial intelligence and machine learning to operate optimally. Experts believe self-driving cars will bring long term as well as short term benefits, including lower emissions and enhanced road safety. So example for these driverless cars are um, Tesla and Uber cars. They're developing the driverless cars. Okay, so in all the form of transport, AI is using. Then in home, AI has found a special place in people's homes in the form of smart home assistant. This let you perform various tasks with just voice commands. That means this AI also used in the form of smart home assistant. This home assistant, through this smart home assistant, you can do the works of the works related to homes. For this smart home assistant, only voice command is enough. So because of through smart assistant, you can perform various tasks, like you can order groceries, play music, or switch on or off the lights, etc. Then the example is Amazon Echo and Google Home. These are the two popular smart home assistants applications. Then it rely on voice recognition technology, which are result of AI and ML. Means this smart home assistant, it works on the basis of voice recognition. This voice recognition technology is result of AI and ML. Smart assistants are present in mobile phones. Here also, this smart home assistant is not only used in home; it also used in mobile phones to perform various tasks. The examples are Apple's Siri, Google's Assistant, Microsoft Cortana. These are some examples for the smart assistant in mobile phones. Through this smart assistant, you can perform various tasks like playing song, asking question, buying something online, opening an app, etc. Okay, so this is about artificial intelligence how works in home. Then expert system. There are some applications which integrate machine software and special information to impart reasoning and advising. They provide explanation and advice to the users. That means because of AI system, expert system is developed. This expert system help the computer to make a correct decisions like a human, means it provides solution to the problem. This is about expert system. Then vision system. This system understand, interpret and comprehend visual input on the computer. That means what are the information or inputted in the computer that is recognized through AI. Doctor, some examples are doctor use clinical expert system. That means doctor uses this expert system to diagnose the patient. Means for example x-ray, ultrasound, these are the clinical expert system. On the basis of that, the doctor can diagnose the disease of the patient. Then spying aeroplane. In spying aeroplane, they uses this technology to take photograph. On these photographs, they used to figure out spatial information or map of the areas. Means the related to space, we can understand the some information related to space and the some of the areas in the space. Then police uses computer software that recognizes the face of criminal. Here in the find out in the face of the criminal also, this vision system is used. Okay, the some of the these are the 18 scope of artificial intelligence. Other than this, you can add some other applications like credit granting, information management and retrieval, plant layout, help desk and assistance, employee performance evaluation, shipping, in marketing, warehouse optimization, in space workstation maintenance, satellite controls, network developments, in military activity control, in nuclear management, in HR department, in logistics and operation department, etc. In all this field also AI can be used. Okay, I hope you clear with all this scope of the artificial intelligence. Thank you.